Today we will discuss word processor tabular representation. A table is an arrangement of data in rows and columns. It is better to write in table if you want to prepare a date sheet or a timetable. In a table, horizontal section of a table is called a row. Vertical section of a table is called column. Intersection of row and column is called cell. If you want to make a table, we have to go to insert, and if you want to make 10 into 8, 10 rows and 8 columns, you have to simply click on insert and you have to select the number of rows and columns. If you want to make a table of size more than 10 into 8, you can select the number of rows and columns in this dialog box. Select cell, select column, select row and select table. If you will click on the cell, you can select cell. If you want to select column, column will be selected. If you will click row, that particular row or rows will be selected. If you want to select a table, you can select table. Inserting cells. First of all, we have to create a table. Then, if we want to insert cells in it, we can insert cells. In Layout tab, insert row, below and above. Insert column to left or right. We can insert row above or below. We can insert column left or right. 4 options are there. Here we are inserting column. We can insert column. First of all, we should have a table. Then go to Layout tab, and there you can insert column to the left or to the right, whatever is our requirement. We can delete cells also. In delete cell, we can delete the particular cell which we want. We can delete a particular row or we can delete a particular column. First of all, we should have a table. Then, as per our requirement, we can delete either cell, delete cells, delete column, delete rows and delete table option is there. We can delete as per our requirement. Here we are deleting a cell from right. If cells will be there, then only it will be deleted. Deleting rows, we should have a table, then we can delete the row which we want. We are inserting a table here, and if we want to delete a column, we can delete columns. Merging and shifting. Merging and splitting. Merging means what? If you want to merge 3 rows into one or 3 columns into one, then we are using merging. Suppose we want to have subgroups in a single cell, then we can split the cells also. Here we are creating a table so that we can show you merging, splitting of cells. Here 3 rows and 3 columns are there, and if we want to make a date sheet for a particular school, then we can insert a row above to write the name of the school, and we can merge the 3 columns to one so that it will look nice. Here we are inserting a row above, just above, to write the name of the school. Here we are merging by selecting the 3 columns and merge cells, and we can write the name of our school so that it will look better. We can make it center so that it will look nice. If we want to split a particular cell, we can split a particular cell to do subdivision. A particular column or a row can be merged. Here we are merging Hindi and biology to one. Go to layout tab and merge cells. Then the 2 datas will be in single cell. We can split a cell into 2. Here we can, as a dialog box will appear, we can choose the number of columns we want to split. We can split a table also. A big table can be divided into 2 or 3 small tables. Applying table borders. Here we can make a table and we can apply table borders. Any type of border you want. Go to layout. You can go to table properties, and there you can specify the table border and shading, whichever color or whichever width of the border you want. Here also we can do table shading. Whatever shading we want, we can assign. Whatever color, texture you want, you can apply to a table to look it attractive, to make it attractive. We can change the row height, column width of a table in table properties. First of all, select the table and apply table shading. whatever color you want. We can resize the table cells also as per our requirement. Here in table setting we can choose many more colors. We can change the row height, column width of a particular table. After selecting only, we can change the width of a table, width of a cell, or width of a row and column. There are 9 types of alignments. One is align top left, align top middle, align top right, align center middle, center top, bottom left, bottom right, and bottom middle. Align top left, align top center, align top right, align center left, align center right, align bottom left, bottom center and bottom right. Thank you for watching.